everybody, Kevin here back with another video. Hope you're doing fine and smiling. So guys, today we've got a legendary watch unboxing. It's a Casio watch. I'm sure you guys must have seen it in the thumbnail already. So we've got the Casio F91W. So I've been wanting this watch for a long time, and I recently got my hands on it. So I'm currently wearing the G-Shock MTG, which is bulky, too heavy, bulky, too tall. So it's not that comfortable to wear it all the time. But this watch, it's a different story, guys. Very comfortable, very affordable. Very nice. It's got a nice vintage feel to it, and this watch has got a history. Loads of history. For one, it is the most sold watch in the entire world, selling about 30 lakh units every year in India alone. So lot of units being sold, and I'm surprised they're still in sale. I can understand, I can see why, because look at the profile, guys. It's so thin, it is so lightweight. It's about 20 grams, and they say it is just water resistant. It's not that great underwater, but I've seen videos of people dunking this in swimming pool, going for a swim with it. I've even seen videos of people freezing it in their freezer. So that's how durable this watch is. They say the piezo mechanism in this watch is very precise, very accurate, and which is why terrorist organizations used this timepiece to time their bombs. So they used to set a delay for about 2 months, 3 months, and as low as 15 days, 20 days, and it would be accurate to the second. It's got various modes. So let me show you. So this is the alarm. Oh, let me just focus that right on there. There you go. So this is the alarm, and this is the stopwatch, and then this is to set the time. And then if you wanna do the 24 hours, so currently it's in 12 hours. Let me just focus that. There you go. That is 24 hours. And one particularly important thing that I felt personally very impressed by is so whenever I wear a big watch, a hefty watch with a big dial like the MTG Casio, I'll show that to you in a minute. When I do that, it touches my wrist, so I subconsciously tend to wear it away from my wrist so that it doesn't touch. But this watch, so thin, so slim, it's got no problem at all. Simple watch, and I thought it would look bad on my hand, but I love it. I am loving it. I'm wearing it all the time, even while I'm sleeping. So that's how comfortable this is. So I loved it. It's a fantastic purchase. I think you all should give it a shot. Anyways, so that's it, guys. Anyways, you guys have a great day. Take care, eat well, and love you all. Cheers.